hope you all are doing fine. So I have a new story for you today. The magic pet. आपके पास पेट है? आज मैं एक मैजिकल पेट के बारे में आपको एक स्टोरी सुनाने जा रही हूँ. Are you people ready? Excited? In the story, Kamla wished to have a pet, but her mom said no. At her friend's Akhil's birthday party, a magician's trick gave her a surprise pet. Read to know about? What is this? So start up. Identify the pictures and write their names. Let's read the story. Kamla wanted to have a pet in the house, but her mother would not allow it. आपकी मम्मा भी ऐसा करती हैं? आपको पेट बहुत पसंद है घर पर रखना, बट मम्मा बोलती है नो, आई डोंट वांट एनी पेट एट होम. नहीं चलेगा. One day she went to attend a birthday party to her friend. Who? Kamla. Akhil, his father, and had arranged for a magic show there. So उन्होंने एक magic show arrange किया. After the cake cutting, the magic show started. The magician showed some tricks and then said, I want an assistant who can come and help me. Kamla volunteered. Means Kamla, she wanted to take initiative. वो खुद से गई और उन्होंने केवल बोला, क्या बोला? She climbed up the stage. वो स्टेज पर चढ़ गई. Showing him a white ball, the magician asked her, What is this? This is a yellow ball, said Kamla. Now look into the box, said the magician, showing a box. Kamla looked into it and said, Yes, it is empty. The magician put the box on the table and said, Now put the ball into the box and close it. Kamla promptly put the ball into it and closed it with its lid. उसके ढक्कन से उसे बंद कर दिया. कमला ने बॉल डाली ना उसमें और फिर ढक्कन लगा के बंद कर दिया. Now clap thrice. और आप 3 बार ताली बजाइए. आप भी बजाइए. Yes, said the magician. Kamla clapped. Open the lid and see if the ball is there, said the magician. ढक्कन खोलो और देखो अगर बॉल वहाँ है तो. कमला opened the box but found the box empty. पर कमला ने तो खुद से बॉक्स में बॉल डाली थी ना, पर अभी तो बॉक्स खाली था. She cried in excitement, It's empty. बहुत एक्साइटमेंट के साथ बोली, अरे ये तो खाली है. You must have taken the ball, said the magician. मैजिशियन ने बोला, आपने बॉल चुराई है ना, बॉल ले ली है ना आपने, प्लीज रिटर्न माई बॉल. Kamla was shocked. She said, No, I haven't taken your ball. Then close the box and open it again, said the magician. Okay, फिर से खोलो बॉक्स. क्लोज करो पहले, फिर से बॉक्स खोलो. Kamla did so. As she opened, she heard some sound inside. जैसे उसने बॉक्स खोला उसको कुछ आवाज़ सुनाई दी. She looked in it. She was surprised. There was a pigeon in it. वहाँ पे तो एक कबूतर था, जबकि उसने तो बॉल डाली थी. She jumped and cried, It's a pigeon. The magician took out the pigeon and said to Kamla, You are a pretty girl. Do you want this? Kamla said, My mother doesn't allow any pets. She will allow if you take this pigeon, said the magician and gave her the pigeon. Kamla returned home. She had the pigeon in her hands. Seeing it, her mother said, What a lovely bird! Can I keep this as my pet? Asked Kamla. Sure, you can, her mother said. Tomorrow I shall buy you a cage for him. Kamla was very happy now. Kamla बहुत खुश थी. Yes, so आप भी बताइएगा, क्या आप भी एक पेट ऐसे ही घर लाना चाहते हैं, और जब आप लाए तो क्या आपकी मॉम ने आपको अलाउ किया? ओके, सो जो भी आपने चैप्टर में लर्न किया है, वी आर गोइंग टू रिवाइज और प्रैक्टिस दैट. टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. कमला वांटेड टू अटेंड अखिल्स बर्थडे पार्टी. किस लिए बताइए? To play games, to eat cake, or to watch a magic show? Check it in the chapter and do all likewise. Fill in the blanks. Kamla wanted to have a dash in the house. Pet, very good. Write T for true and F for false statement. Kamala attended the magic show because she wanted to eat cake. अब अगर केक खाना चाहती है तो मैजिक शो अटेंड करेंगी. Check the statement whether it is right or wrong. Answer the following question. Why did Kamala volunteer to help the magician? क्यों उसने volunteer किया था magician को help करने के लिए? Okay? Critical thinking. Do you think Kamala's decision to keep her pet pigeon in a cage is appropriate? Give reason for your answer. क्या किसी पक्षी को केज में रखना चाहिए? Play with words. What you have to do? You have to write the opposite of these words like presence, absence. Okay? Likewise, you can do all. Now we have some words where you have to give the, make the sentences of these words like pigeon, trick, empty, thrice and magician. Grammar in use. So in this chapter, which grammar topic we have used? We have used prepositions. These are the words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun with other words in a sentence. They indicate location, direction, time or a manner. Example: in, on, under, beside, behind, at, before and after, etc. Choose the correct preposition from the word bank. To complete each sentence, write your answer in the blank provided. The cat is dash the table. On the table. Very good. Do likewise all. Speak out. Read the passage aloud. Mithu was a parrot, a green parrot with a red beak. One day Mithu was flying. He loved to fly. He looked down. He saw a big yellow mango on a tree. Right? In writing part, which word do you like the most? Write about in the given space. Hands-on fun. Paste the pictures of some animals or birds in the space provided. Also write their names and at least 5 lines on any of them. Right? किसी भी एक के बारे में 5 लाइनें लिखिए. And while writing this, have fun, enjoy.